Hello, so today let's solve this equation, which is 3 to the 1 over x plus 1 over x equals 11. So first of all, let y equals 1 over x so that we can rewrite the equation as 3 to the y plus y equals 11, or 3 to the y equals 11 minus y. Okay, now next thing we do is to divide by 3 over y, 3 to the y, so that on the left hand side we're going to have 3 to the y divided by 3 to the y, and on the right hand side you have 11 minus y divided by 3 to the y. So this will simplify, so what we'll get on the left is 1, and on the right we get 11 minus y over 3 to the y, but we can write it also as times 3 to the minus y. Okay, so it's just 1 over 3 to the y, it's equal to 3 to the minus y. Okay, it's like 1 over x is equal to x to the minus 1. Okay, so next thing what we're gonna do is try to get this term here in the numerator, here in the exponent of 3. So we multiply by 3 to the 11, and so we get 3 to the 11 equals 11 minus y 3 to the 11 minus y. So all I did here is multiply by 3 to 11 to the 11, but 3 to 11 times 3 to the minus y, it's equal to 3 to 11 minus y, because of this property a to the b times a to the c is equal to a to the b plus c. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is the 3 to the 11 here, I'm gonna write it as 3 squared times 3 to the 9. And then the right hand side, I will rewrite it as it is, 11 minus y times 3 to the 11 minus y. So next thing I'm gonna do here is to write 3. The 3, I can actually write it as exponential log of 3. Okay. So I'm gonna erase this part here, sorry. Let's keep the equation. Okay, so I want to replace these 3 here. So this I can replace by 9. Then that 3 is exponential log 3 to the 9. And then this is equal to 11 minus y I'm gonna also erase this part here. Um, 11 minus y times 3 to 11 minus y. Okay. I'm gonna erase the rest here. And then I do the same thing with these 3 here. So in fact, I can replace it here and I can just replace it by exponential log 3, or maybe let's just do it until I don't have enough space. So equals to 11 minus y times 3. I said this is exponential log of 3. And so the exponential log 3 is the whole thing is raised to the 11 minus y. And the property we have here, a to the b raised to the c, is the same thing as a b times c, okay? So we can use this here. And so exponential log of 3 to the 9 is the same thing as exponential 9 log 3. And the right-hand side is 11 minus y, exponential 11 minus y. I've just got to write this term first, times log 3. Good, so the other thing we need is a log 3 on both sides. So we multiply by log 3 on both sides, so we get 9 log 3 exponential 9 log 3 is equal to 11 minus y log 3 exponential 11 minus y log 3. Very good. So we have a perfect term here to do a Lambert W function on both sides. The Lambert W function is defined as a Lambert W function of a to the exponential of a is equal to a. So in this term, our a here, we can replace it by 9 log 3, and the a here would be 11 minus y log 3. So in other words, let me just erase this thing here to rewrite the whole thing in here. Okay, so I have 9 log 3 which is our a in the W Lambert function, which I rewrite here, W function of a exponential of a is equal to a, is equal to a. So the a exponential a for us is 9 log 3 exponential like 9 log 3, so it's 9 log 3. And the a on this side is 11 minus y log 3. 11 minus y log 3. So you see, now we almost have the solution. So the log 3 will cancels out both sides, and all we have is 9 equals 11 minus y. What is the value of y? How much should we take out of 11 to find 9? 2. So y is 2. No need to replace y by or add a y and so on. So it's just simple. Okay. Then obviously we have y, we don't have x, but our y we did set it as 1 over x. So the x is simply the inverse of y. And in this case, it's going to be 1/2. So x equals 1/2 is the solution to the equation we had initially. And it's very easy to just replace it here and find that it's indeed the solution, because if you replace x by 1/2, so this is going to be 3 to the power 2, which is 9, and then 1 over 1/2 is 2, 9 plus 2 is 11, so x equals 1/2 is indeed the solution of this equation. All right, thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you next time for a new problem.